Here are the big bull, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. He was in conversation with Omkar Goswami on the question time. And Omkar started off the conversation, posed a question to him, on his stock picking mantra, how he would buy a stock, when he would sell a stock. Obviously, Rakesh spoke about all those various factors, talking about he would sell when EPS peaks. Here are the entire excerpt of the conversation with Omkar Goswami and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala.
So just tell me, in simple terms, I mean, I don't invest at all, okay? Just tell me in simple terms and for viewers, what makes you buy a stock and what makes you sell a stock?
Well, let me take the second one first. I sell a stock if I have better opportunity and I need capital. 2, price is equal to PE, EPS multiplied by PE. If the EPS is peaking or the market recognizes the future EPS which is going to peak, and the P is unsustainable, that is the time to sell, right? And markets do go into terms of madness. It's always a time to sell. What makes me pick a stock is opportunity. No company, for example, I mean, let me make a SEBI disclosure. I am an interested party in this stock, Sterling Holiday Resorts, a stock I bought recently. I bought because I think the holiday home business in India, I mean, there are 2 crore customers who are potential customers, 2 crore couples, there are 20,000 holiday homes being sold a year. Holidays being sold. So I think there is humongous opportunities. Fun, I look at opportunity.
What is the opportunity you see in Crisil?
India's financial markets. US economy went 16% of US GDP was financial services. In India, it's 3-4%, 5%. So the opportunity of Crisil is essentially linked to India's financial markets. And then I will link to...
Explain that. I can see why you load up on bank stocks, Karur Vysya, other stocks, but I can't understand Crisil.
Crisil, sir, if what is India's bond market today? What is the size of India's bond market?
So basically you're saying that as the bond market and other stuff expands,
absolutely.
Where will you go? You'll have
Who's
to go
servicing
to
the mutual fund industry? The opportunity for Crisil is critically linked to India's financial markets. And I think if India has to grow as an economy, they're going to explode. We're at a very initial stage.
So in the 30 or 40 stocks that you hold and hold for long, relatively speaking at any point, each one you have a story that you can explain.
Right, absolutely. Second one is, why hold Crisil, I tell you. See, you cannot, opportunity itself does not make a company profitable. It's a competitive ability. It's a business in which you cannot have new entrants. Then I think Crisil has one of the best capabilities and reputation among the rating agencies in India. That gives it a competitive edge. And what a business profile. What cash flows? It's nothing but cash, cash, cash.
If China opened up to the stock markets, opened up and was completely tradable, Chinese stocks, would you invest in Chinese equity?
I'm not going to invest anyway for the next 5-6 years other than India. First of all, there's no capital account convertibility, so I can't take my money.
No, suppose there was.
I mean, I personally feel when the food at home is so good, why go here there? And that requires, investing is also, I have the 90% of my portfolio is my call on India's macro, right? And I have young children. I can't go and invest from India, sit here and invest in China and other places. I don't want to leave them and go. I used to think I will, but I'm not going to do it until they are 12, 15.